We are an exhibition-built service company based in Las Vegas, with large-scale storage warehouses and standardized production workshops in both Las Vegas and Atlanta. From planning to execution, we have an efficient and standardized process that ensures seamless customer service and flawless attention to detail. Our team boasts extensive experience and expertise. From design and production to material selection and storage, we have a stable process to support a wide range of complex exhibition requirements. Our production workshop is equipped with advanced printing equipment, including flatbed cutters, HP thermal transfer printers, engraving machines, and large format printers. This array of equipment allows us to meet various artistic material needs for different types of booths, providing high-quality exhibition printing services and ensuring that every detail is perfectly presented. Whether it's exquisite printed materials, modular and reusable frames, sturdy wooden structures, light boxes, reception counters of various sizes, dimensional letters, acrylic display cabinets, or a wide range of furniture and clear audio equipment, as well as TVs and video walls of various sizes and styles, we offer a one-stop solution to meet all your needs. Choose us, and you will enjoy an unparalleled exhibition experience, making your booth the center of attention. With our one-stop exhibition services, we comprehensively meet all your needs. Contact us now to ensure your exhibition is flawless.